Hello and welcome to Saraswati Sisukun Magwala Bosan. Myself Ketan Rathod. Today we will learn subject Math Standard 5th, chapter number 5. Does it look the same? We will begin this chapter with an activity. So let's begin it. Today we will perform an activity. What are the things required for activity? Sheet of paper, watercolor, pen and scissor. Sheet of paper, color, pen and scissor. Procedure. First point, take a sheet of paper, fold it into half. First of all, you have to take a paper and you have to fold in half. Means I am folding here, you can see half of paper. You can see this is, I have folded this paper and it is half. Now second point, open the fold. We will see line at the middle of the paper. Now I am opening paper. You can see here line. This line is called, third point, the middle line is called imaginary line. This line is called imaginary line. This line is called imaginary line or line of symmetry. Next point, now put a drop of color on the middle line. Now we will put a drop of color on middle line. Now you can see here I have put a drop of color on the sheet of paper. Now next point is fold the paper twice and press it to spread the color. Now we have to fold this paper. Fold the paper twice and then after we have to press it. The next point is, now open it and see a beautiful pattern. Now we will open this for see the pattern. You can see the pattern. It is very beautiful. We can also say it is divided into two equal half. If we draw an imaginary line, then we can get two equal halves. So let us draw the imaginary line. You can see this, you can see here this shape has two equal halves and imaginary lines separate two equal halves. Hope you have understood this activity. You will also perform at home. Now we have two questions on the basis of pattern which we have made by cutting it. Now first question is, can you cut this pattern in such a way that you get two similar mirror halves? So the answer is yes, I get two similar mirror halves. Now we go to next number. In how many ways I can get it? Only one way I can do it. So this is the answer of second number question. Now we will move to next topic. Okay. Now next topic, look at this pattern. In this pattern you can see this is imaginary line. Does both the same have same arc or not? Let's check it. dotted line separating two shapes. One is on right side and one is on left side. Now, if we observe this figure, we come to know that they are equally half or not. For that, how we will find it? So, for that you have to fold these two shapes from the center or from the imaginary line, and you have to see that does the left side covers the right side same. If you observe like that, then you can find that left side shape does not cover the right side shape, so it is not equal half. Now we will move to next picture. If you see in this picture, you can see a shape of triangle. In the center, the imaginary line is there. Yes. Now you have to tell that does this shape is divided into two equal parts? Yes or no? You want to say. Okay. So if we fold this shape from imaginary line, then we can see that both shapes are covering completely. So they are equal in half. You can see in the picture. Now in these two pictures also you can see and you can compare it. If you compare it, you can find it that both the shapes are having equal half. Practice time question. So we have here question: which shapes are divided into mirror halves by dotted line? You have to see the picture and you have to count that how many shapes having mirror halves. So there are total 15 shapes are given, and out of 15 shapes, how many shapes having mirror halves? So let's find it. So number one is there. You can see in the picture number one. In there, if you observe carefully, then you will come to know that the dotted line which is separating two parts, but if you observe the color, then color is one side is white and one side is pink. So when we do them equal half, then the color is changed. One side is coming pink and one side is coming white. That's why it is not mirror half. Second number picture. In second number picture, you can see that this picture is also not mirror half. Third number picture also you can see in leaf one portion cover more area and in second portion it covers less area. So it is also not a mirror half. Look at the fourth number picture. If you observe it, then you can find it that here also color is different. That's why it is also not mirror half. Fifth number picture. You can see the fifth number picture. In this picture, star is given. This star is divided by dotted line and it is equally divided into two equal parts. 5 number figure or shape is divided into equal half. Now we will see 6 number picture. 6 number picture is of butterfly. Butterfly is divided by the dotted line, and if you observe carefully, it is divided into two equal halves. That's why 6 number is also divided into two equal half. 7 number, if you observe 7 number, then also you can find that imaginary line is separating two parts into two equal mirror half. So 7 number also form two mirror half. 8 number picture, you can see the rectangle and yellow and white lines are there. This rectangle is also divided into two equal halves. So 8 number also having two equal mirror halves. Next, 9 number. If you observe 9 number is not a mirror half. If you observe 10 number is also not mirror half. If you observe 11 number, then 11 number is also not a mirror half. Now look at the 12 number picture. If you observe the 12 number picture, it is also not a mirror half. But you observe 13 number picture, you can come to know that this piece is divided into two equal half. So our answer is the 13 number is divided into two equal mirror half. 14 number picture, it is also piece, but it is not divided equally. So it is not equally divided into two equal halves. Now last picture, 15 number. If you observe 15 number, you can come to know that the figure is divided into two equal half by dotted line. So we can write that 15 number is also having two equal mirror halves. Now we will move to next question. Next question is that which of the following figures are similar? So you have to observe all the figure and you have to write the answer. A number figure, here one oval is given and one circle is given. So oval and circle are not similar in size and shapes. B number, here you can see squares are given. Both are similar in size and shapes. C number, here in this figure you can see one figure is small and one figure is big. So that's why they are not similar. Now D number, here you can see two flowers. Both the figures are similar in size and shape. Now E number, you can see here umbrella, picture of umbrella. They are in opposite direction. But if you observe carefully there, then both the shapes are having same size and shape. So they are similar. So what is the answer? Shape B, D and E are similar. Hope you have understood all the topics of today.